Have you ever thought about how much fun you can have traveling the world without ever leaving your kitchen? Welcome to this episode of Bonding Through Tasteful Travels, where we delve into the delightful world of kid-friendly desserts that not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also teach valuable lessons in geography. Today we are focusing on how you can turn baking into an adventurous journey around the globe, especially with your kids by your side. We all know that children love sweets, but they also have an innate curiosity about the world around them. Combining these two interests using culinary arts is a fantastic way to bond over new experiences. Cooking, especially baking, requires collaboration and creativity, traits shared by both great chefs and explorers. When fathers use these opportunities to engage with their kids, they not only create delicious treats, but also impart a passion for discovering new places and cultures. Let's start our culinary journey with a glance at some iconic desserts. Take French macarons, for example. These colorful almond meringue cookies have become a symbol of French patisserie excellence. While making macarons with your children, you can share the story of how these delicate cookies originated from Italy and were brought to France by Catherine de Medici. Discussing the historical journey of the macaron can help kids visualize and understand the connections between different countries in Europe. Next, how about baking some British scones? A traditional part of an English afternoon tea, scones are not just delicious, but rich in cultural significance. Teach your children about the classic English tradition of tea time and how it was an integral part of everyday British life. Connecting this baking project to the map, you can easily point out the United Kingdom and talk about its role in global history. Moving from Europe to Asia, let's explore Japanese mochi. This chewy and sweet rice cake offers a delightful texture experience and is central to many Japanese celebrations like the New Year. While crafting mochi, discuss with your kids about Japan's unique geography, its islands, and perhaps the significance of rice in Japanese cuisine and culture. This can spark inquisitiveness about how landscapes influence dietary staples. To make these recipes approachable, especially for young bakers, it's important to simplify the baking process. Focus on setting up a fun and stress-free environment in the kitchen. Encourage kids to measure ingredients and mix batter, turning these tasks into educational moments about measurement and calculation. Also, consider safety tips, such as using age-appropriate tools and always supervising activities around heat. Besides following traditional recipes, I suggest adding a creative twist. Consider incorporating local ingredients that reflect your family's tastes. By customizing the recipes, you teach adaptability and the exciting possibility of mixing cultures, which is a vital part of how global cuisines develop. You can also integrate geographical discussions during your baking sessions. While waiting for your creations to bake, take out an atlas or a globe and identify where the dessert comes from. Discuss the country's culture, landmarks, and customs, offering an immersive learning opportunity. This aspect of cooking emphasizes understanding the world's diversity, helping children appreciate different cultures through their culinary traditions. Finally, remember the benefits that stem from engaging in these shared culinary adventures. Not only do you and your kids get to delight in homemade treats, but you also build a foundation for open communication and curiosity about the world. This connection, forged through shared goals and discoveries, extends beyond the kitchen. It is about creating lasting memories and instilling a lifelong love for learning and exploration. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Bonding Through Tasteful Travels. I hope these insights inspire many joyful and educational baking sessions with your children. Remember, curiosity and bonding go hand in hand, and every recipe is an opportunity to discover a piece of the world. Until next time, happy baking and exploring.